have you been a herbalist?
From 1977. Yeah. And my age is 141 years old now.
You are 141 years old?
Right now.
Oh my. So is your medicine make you live so long?
I mean, I have no sugar. I have no pressure. I mean, I have no heart attack. I have no pain. Yeah, you know, me farm, I do everything said me. Yeah, man, I have children, so my granddaughter there, so I said that Simila, and my daughter, Judith, and my sons, them. Yeah, you know. Yeah.
How long did it take you to perfect your formula?
Well, I work with the moon. And the moon is that give you like when the moon is kind of full and the new moon, just try to prepare your herbs. And before the moon full, then you will boil your herbs. So I do soak my herbs, and after soaking them, then I throw them off and prepare them, put them into the bottle and so forth. So I work with